Hello guys, how are you all doing? Okay, let's do it in a traditional way first.
अच्छा
Hello guys, this is TN Tumkas and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. That is how it is done, right? Okay, I don't know. I myself am new to this vlogging thing. Let's see how it will go. Okay, so before I start talking about what this vlog is about and all stuff, I just wanted to tell you guys something that is like, why have I started doing this thing now? Okay, so first of all, today is my birthday and I wanted to start something new on this day. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and try doing something which I've never done before. Okay, so I had this thing in my mind, like do a vlog thing. If you're traveling somewhere or my daily vlogs or something, I wanted to do something like this. So that's why I started this today and hope I'll be doing this more often. No idea. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I'm sure I'll keep you guys entertained. And yes, this vlog is all about me traveling to Tirupati with my friends. And the interesting part here is us visiting the temple by climbing 3,550 steps. We are all set for the trip. We actually wanted to start from the beginning, like from the packing and all stuff, and then getting into vehicle and going to the station about the trip, all things. But it was really mess, and I actually forgot to do.
The packing was terrific.
It was a mess. I'll tell you the story some other day. After crossing all the heavy traffic, we finally made it to station on time.
None of these people will suit for vlogging.
Look at them.
Today is Rashmi's birthday.
Okay.
We're expecting one small treat from her. I said,
I'm expecting a cake. Give me a cake, no? I'll give you a treat.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Okay, the train has started moving. So, guys,
hi.
3, 2, 1. Govinda, Govinda.
शाबाश बेटा.
Okay, so Vishal, I've heard that you have traveled to Tirupati so many times. Can you tell us in count? Okay, so where are we traveling right now?
Kodaikanal. Goa.
एहे रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना नहीं नहीं सुके सुके सुके
तिरुमला.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
And something good.
Hema having her Bollywood scenes. Hema one round ಹೋಗ್ಬಾ. Collection ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಾಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ time.
फुल टिकट वसूली ब्रो
वो प्ले रजनीकांत म्यूजिक
राइटर्स एंड गुजराती
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
The struggles. So it's 3:41 and we have almost reached Tirupati. So
Good morning.
morning we are all ready to midnight
Good morning.
after getting down from train, we were directly going near to the temple by auto. And from there, we will be starting our journey of climbing 3,550 steps. You might be wondering why we have planned to climb the steps this early. The thing is, it's summer and we don't want to take any risk. And then we reached near temple's luggage counter to hand over our luggages. Later, we will start climbing the steps. By the time we reach on top, our luggages will be delivered safely. How far is it from like railway station till here?
so it will take almost like 10 minutes to reach from railway station to the luggage counter and then from here it's walkable distance.
I don't know about these guys, but this was my first time going by the steps.
नहीं.
We are starting at 4:51, guys. Yes. Okay, bro, what exactly steps we are going from and how much time it will take to go?
It will take around like 4 hours, depends on person. But max we can have to complete by 5 or else we'll get fried up in the sun.
We had a lot of options, like we can go through bus or vehicle or something, but we thought this will be fun, and as we all friends are traveling and we are active, so we thought this way we will choose. Excited? Govinda. Govinda. We have just completed 1,000 steps. How does it feel?
Strong.
What about you?
Orange cap.
And look at that beautiful view.
Out of the symbol.
Can you guys see that mountain? I know I said it will be fun. Coming 2 steps. But it seems little hard. But still, we're gonna do this. Wait for it. After climbing almost 2,000 steps, you'll get this area where you can have breakfast, have snacks, or take some rest and then start walking again.
Dil mange moy.
It's Dil Mange More.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
क्या हो गया फिर से बोलो.
बेहोश हो गए तो क्या करना है?
हाँ.
बोल रहा कुछ नहीं, होश में आने का जाना है फिर. अभी जैसे ऐसे
पर जाना तो है. How you guys feeling?
Not feeling
That
like
is how you guys are feeling. Dead opposite of what they are feeling right now. As this was my first time traveling by the steps, I had no idea what and all we get to eat over here. But to my wonder, we get everything from breakfast to snacks like these.
We came from Tirumala and then Gali Gopuram, and then we came for Narasimha Swami temple, and then we came for Divya Darshanam, and now present we are in Anjaneya Swami statue, 7th May.
On the way, we get to see animals like these, and I couldn't resist touching one of them. Crossed how much distance till now?
Almost crossed 9 kilometers.
9 kilometers. How much more we have to?
4 kilometers to go.
4 kilometers more to reach Tirumala. Top. Well, these people are like going back from Tirumala. Now we are going to Tirumala through steps. And see this beautiful view. It's really hard. Too much dehydration might happen. Plus that we are walking, that's why keep yourself hydrated. So we prefer drinking more of coconut water. This is the second one which we are drinking right now. Also, I forgot to mention that I asked my friends like I want to do darshan on the same day of my like birthday. So we planned for that, but still because of some like friend's wedding or something, some date clashes happened. That's why we thought at least next day we will have to do the darshan. This is the story. Now we're going to climb this. I think so. Vishal, this will be the last steps to climb.
Yes, this is the last Gopuram.
Okay, great.
Landmark.
Okay.
In this last Gopuram, some people choose to climb on their knees. We have just completed 3,000 steps, guys. Are you all feeling? Yeah. Okay, where is it? Here. 3,000 steps. Yeah. So finally, we are done with all the steps, and we have reached on the top. If you ask me how I'm feeling right now, I'm feeling really great and strong, and yeah, devotion it is. Maybe that was the reason I was able to climb so much. It was good. How was it, guys?
5 hours journey, still the same energy.
Same energy.
How is the Josh? Hi.
Very nice. Keep up the Josh, guys, till the end of the trip.
21.
Last one to complete the steps. How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now?
I don't feel my legs, bro. I'm not feeling anything. My body is not there with me.
And then we collected our luggages and we were going to have breakfast. Okay.
Five masalas, one plain dosa. Puri. Puri as in plain dosa.
Ice puri.
Five masala dosa, one plain dosa. Puri. Puri, okay.
Wherever you go, dosa is compulsory, right?
Yes, without dosa you can't leave. Must and should.
We reached Tirumala at 10 o'clock and we have to wait till 12 o'clock to our rooms to get allotted. These rooms are basically very near to the temple and are budget friendly. We are sitting here Looking tired, I know. What are these people up to? Oh, wrong place, Eva. The struggle is real in this sunlight. रुक जाओ भाई, रुक जाओ. दूसरे गांव में आके खाना नहीं है मार, ठीक है?
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಬಿಸ್ಲು? ಹಾ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಬಿಸ್ಲು? These people and their kiddish behavior will not end wherever we go. After waiting for 2 hours, we are getting our rooms. Finally, we're going to our rooms. We'll get freshen up and we have our darshan at 4 o'clock. So we have to leave some little bit early so that will be our time for darshan. After that, we came to the main temple and completed our darshan in just 2 hours. As it was weekday, it wasn't that much crowdy. So we just completed darshan and it was really good. What about you?
I mean, I just saw God for the first time from top to bottom. Like, he was just marvelous. And all the pain we had from the morning till now, it's all vanished actually.
It was really beautiful darshan we ever had. So this was day 1 in Tirupati. I hope you guys might have seen most of our clips in Tirupati temple, all those things and all. I tried to capture as much as possible because phones weren't allowed in the inside the temple. So we had to leave our phones at room and go. And later, after the darshan thing happened, we took our phones and I tried to record some stuff to show you guys. So this was our day and it was a very peaceful day for us and it was very nice day. If you guys have never visited Tirupati in your lifetime, kindly do at least once in your lifetime. I've already mentioned regarding the different ways you can travel to get to the temple. Like maybe with your own vehicle or maybe bus facility is there to you guys, or you can go through steps. And I would suggest if you are okay to walk and go, please do. It will be really fun. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Tirupati. Today also we are going to visit some other temples nearby. Before we go to temples, we'll go get freshen up and have breakfast and all stuff. Half of our friends have left already for Bangalore because today is the voting day over there. And if you guys might be asking why we did not go to vote and all stuff, I'll explain you that. Some other friends are they're from other state, so they will have different day. And in my place, there is a different date for me. That's like next month is my voting. That's why I did not go. And we guys are going to enjoy the remaining trip. अच्छा कब तक खाओगे ऐसे? इसलिए बोलते हैं ये सब नखरे छोड़ो, हाथ से खाओ. क्या खा रहा है सुबह सुबह? हाँ.
अच्छा
कौन जाएगा नाने बताओ? आंटी मिंटी करे. आंटी मिंटी चावल घंटी गजका पेपर टाम टूम टुमला बाई टू या टू. अरे यार मैं ही क्यों आ गई? We are all set to go for temple run right now, and we also vacated our room and we are going on the way. We'll also go back to station. From there back to Bangalore it is. The rooms which we were staying were very near to temple and were budget friendly. We had to book it 3 months prior. That's it. Understood that?
అది ఏసీ ఏంటో అర్థం కాలేదు మా ఇంటి.
Okay, so we are going to visit the 6 places today.
తిరుమల మొత్తం 7 కొండలు కదా, లాస్ట్ ఇది 7వ కొండ.
ఓకే.
We are at Srivari Padalu. I'll show you around. There's a big line. Srivari Padalu means Lord Venkateshwara's footprints. They are believed to be formed when he first stood on Tirumala hills. इनको मछली देखना था, ठीक है? देख लिया मछली, देख लिया. कैसे घूम रहा है मछली? Already started munching just after 1 stop. ये तो इधर आके पेप्सी पी रहे भाई साहब. 0 शुगर पेप्सी. बड़ा डाइट कॉन्शियस हो भाई तुम, इसीलिए ऐसे हो. वाह देख रहे हो? क्या
నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్కడికన్నా
ఈ రూట్ లో మనకి శిలాతోరణము చక్రతీర్థము వస్తాయన్న.
Silatornam means garland of rocks. This natural arc has two dissimilar set of rocks with a connecting thin link. In this place, Lord Brahma wanted to sit and meditate, but it wasn't clean. So Lord Vishnu plunged his Sudarshana Chakram. The Sudarshana Chakram fell into this place and was later called as Chakratirtham.
When you say your friend not to go back to that toxic boyfriend of hers, but still she goes.
So we are at Akash Ganga right now. This water is used for the Abhishekam of Lord Venkateshwara every day. अभी तो उससे काम चल रहा है हमारा सेवियर. Papa Vinashanam means destruction of sins. It's a belief that a dip in these holy waters can absolve one of their sins. उनको चाहिए था ना कढ़ाई वैसे सब्जी बनाने. भाई साहब मस्त सा चपाती बना सकते हैं ऐसे.
मैगी बना के खा लेना.
अच्छा
ओ भाई साहब पूरी बना लो पूरी.
जितना ये है उतना इसी से है भाई.
बड़ा वाला पूरी बनाते हैं हम. सामान ले लो आके गाइस इधर. शेरवेर सब मिल जाएगा ठीक है. यार मेरे पास ये वाला डब्बे थे. ये वाले डब्बे थे मेरे पास जब मैं छोटी थी. एक चेयर उल्टा पड़ा है उनको बोलो ना सीधा करने के लिए. Beat the heat. दिखाओ. Now we are done with temple run and finally we are having some paid puja. Then we'll leave for station. Our train is at 10 o'clock, but we'll be there somewhere around 5 to 6 o'clock. We don't know what to do afterwards. Pani, pani, pani. ना तो बच्चों को खाना खिला रही हूँ मैं. After our lunch, we directly left for station. However, our train is at 10 o'clock, but we had no other option as we have already vacated our rooms. After an hour, we reached station, but still we had to wait 3 hours for our train. So these people decided to kill the time by acting in front of camera like this and watching some match. The best use of my tripod was ever done is like this.
5 seconds late हो गया.
I'm going to do some quick transition over here. So this was our 2 days trip to Tirupati. Hope you guys liked the video and kindly subscribe to my channel and see you guys in the next video.